Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Phonerebel Gen 2 case that I ordered. I don't see too many videos out there on these. Gonna do the unboxing and just my initial impressions right now. So got home from work, wanted to check this out real quick, see how it works, see how it compares to my Pitaka case that I have on my phone right now. I wanted to get this case because it looks like it covers the whole phone, and the Pitaka one doesn't. It leaves the edges exposed a little bit, and I have dropped my phone, so I have like a little bit of a ding right here on the stainless steel, and then the case also took like a drop from head height, so I was on my phone and it slipped out of my hands. So I wanted to try something different, something that covers the whole phone. So let's get into it. You get a nice little Phonerebel case, little bag. Okay, and here it is. So Rebel series for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Let me see, shock absorbing inner layer. Engineered sides for maximum comfort and grip. Raised corners for extra screen protection. Comfortable pinky rest. Anti-shock, fully armored design. So the box includes a premium case, a FlowLab Nano Armor glass screen protector. Oh, that's a nice surprise. I didn't know that. Microfiber cloth, cleaning wipes, dust removal stickers, and so forth. So yeah, let me go ahead. Cut into this. There you go. Kind of a backwards unboxing, I guess, but here it is. And wow, yeah, feels like the armored fiber that I got on my Pitaka here. Just a much better bumper case all around. You got the bumpers, you got the raised corners, so if you lay it face down. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out, see how it is, see how it fits. These Pitaka cases, they go on really well, so you gotta work it from the corners. So yeah, there you go. Very light. That's why I like all the Pitaka ones. So let's get this in here. I already have a screen protector, so I'm not gonna worry about that right now. There you go. Feels really good in the hand. I love that it has the covered all around the edges. It's covered all around. Lay it face down. You got a little bit of raisivity, as Flaw says it. So you got the corners that raise a little bit. Everything works fine. Clicky. Let's see. Yeah, I could go ahead and get to the silent mode on and off easily. Volume. Yeah, feels really good. I also have my Pitaka Air Omni Light right here. I wanted to just see if it wirelessly charges if I set it down. And it does, as you guys can tell. So even with the raised edges a little bit, it still does charge, so that's a good thing. I'm actually gonna take a step out to my car and get my Pitaka magnet mount. I'm gonna see if, because the Pitaka mount holds this really well. I hope it holds this really well, so that way I could use this as my regular daily driver now. But if it doesn't hold with my magnet, that may be an issue for me. So I want to pause this real quick and I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I came back in from grabbing my Pitaka in my vent mount. It's a magnet mount. Holds this case very well, as you guys can tell. I'll show it with the phone right now, but it grabs good with the Pitaka case. So let's see how the Phonerebel case, and it's holding. Oh, not as well. It felt like it got a good grip, but it slipped off. So let's see. or maybe the way it was positioned. Yeah, maybe the magnets are locked in a little bit in there. But yeah, so that's a really good hold. I'm comfortable with this. Like I said, I use the Pitaka and it does not move. Kind of sliding a little bit, but I feel that I'd have to go through a pretty decent sized pothole for this to come off my mount. So happy with this. Yeah, very happy. I know that I've seen the Phonerebel commercials and Everything Apple Pros videos on this, that they did put really strong magnets in here. And yeah, it looks like they're not lying. So it's holding, but it has to be like in a certain position for it to give it a good grab. Yeah, I guess I just gotta, when I'm setting it, I gotta be careful. But yeah, the Pitaka, I mean, it's made for it, so I'm assuming I don't know how they do their magnets in here, but yeah, this is a good hold. Let me show you guys real quick on camera. Okay, so it feels like it's a little bit easier to take this one off, but let me show you guys real quick. So yeah, you know, there's more confidence in the shake on this with the Pitaka case and mount, but this does hold good. It just feels like it has to be positioned a certain way. I know that they have the magnets, I think, here in these corners, from what I could tell that they've said. So I don't know, maybe even my magnet isn't wide enough. It probably needs a wider magnet, but there's certain positions where it locks, and I feel confident it'll hold. So one way to find out, ask me about it in the comments section, guys. I'll let you know long-term wise how it's working with this Pitaka mount. If not, I might have to get a different magnet. I obviously don't want to be putting magnets in this case or anything like that. I mean, this feels great. Has a little bit of heft to the phone, not too much, but it does add a little bit of heft to an already kind of heavy phone, especially if you got the Pro with the stainless steel sides and everything. But yeah, happy with it, happy with the protection. And I'll probably update you guys. If you guys ask me in the comments, let me know whether you want to know if this is holding up well. But I like that it still charges. It does go through the case if I set it. So that's a good thing. Wireless charging works. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and just initial first impressions of this. Hopefully it fits in my lifestyle pretty good. I think it should. It'll work good. Feels good. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you guys on the next one.